Welcome everyone. Question on isomerism in complexes. How many geometrical isomers are possible for the complex ion PdCl2 Br F2-? Choices are A 2, B 3, C 4, D 5. Answer is A 2. Explanation we will see in the next slide. The given complex ion is PdCl2 Br F2-. This complex ion exists in two different isomeric forms. One is cis and another is trans. Thank you for watching this video.